These are some glitches on wet work. Just get on this little ledge, sprint, jump, double jump on that guy. Get someone to stand for you. And just double jump. From here, just keep jumping. From here, I'll show you another one. Sorry about that. Get your guy to stand right there, sprint, and then jump. Maybe take you a couple of times. And then double jump. This is a good spot for sniping. Remember, only in old school you may do this. I'll show you one more last glitch before the video ends. How far the snoots are gonna go. I almost hit the other guy. Okay, from here, just sprint and jump right there. Right there. And then that's about it, man. Please subscribe my video, and see you in my next video.